Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you my beauty room. So this is my vanity, and I'll be showing you all the details in the room. So just go ahead and keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Also share the video. My goal for this year is to be consistent on here. 1 video a week is my goal. So yeah, go ahead and keep on watching. So this is how my beauty room, my vanity looks like whenever I do have clients. So I have dirty brushes and my makeup is just all over the vanity because I do need to get around to it. So instead of opening the drawers and closing and doing all that, I just put my makeup all out. That way I don't have to be digging for what I need. So this is what it looks like whenever I do have clients. I am in love with my vanity, so I just got it last year. And then I still have my ring light, so whenever I do have clients, I usually don't like them just looking at themselves in the vanity mirror because we know the process and they want to see every step of the process. So I usually just like to turn them around, and I work off of my ring light and also the vanity, but I usually like to turn the client around. That way I can just have their full attention on me. So yeah, this is how it looks like whenever I do have clients. All my makeup is out, and this is how it looks like. Let me know if you're interested in me doing like a full-on detailed vanity video. That way I can show you like what kind of makeup I use and exactly what I have in my kit. So if you're interested, go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see. But this is what it looks like, and then I will be putting all my stuff up and I will show you how it looks like on a regular basis. So this is how the vanity looks like without anything on it. All my makeup is put away and it's just clean. These vanities do come, I did choose the one that comes with the glass top, so you can showcase stuff on here, like it shows like makeup and all that, but I'm just not into showing that stuff. So I just like it plain and simple. I do want to get like something to put on here, something big. I was thinking maybe like I don't know, like something that it's kind of my style. I was thinking like a little like graffiti or something like that, girly still, but giving it a little bit of my kind of touch because it is a little bit simple, but I did want to put in just a little me in there. So yeah, this vanity, I purchased it at Vanity J, which is here in Fort Worth. And I also got the big vanity mirror. My husband got it for me for our anniversary. So yeah, he did buy that for me as a surprise. So it was very exciting. I did just only add these flowers on there, just giving it a little pink and a little, girly. That way it doesn't look just too bare. I did buy these at Marshall's, I believe, last year. So I've had them for a while and I switched them up. I moved them around. So for right now, that is her home. Moving right over here, I do have my little hair station thing. I've had this little Michael's drawer for like the longest. So it's pretty beat up, but I keep all my hair stuff there. Like whenever I do hair on clients, I keep everything there, from hairsprays, straight curlers and straighten irons, everything I keep in there. And on top, I just have a picture of my littles up here with this cute little glittery picture frame that I absolutely love. And then I have some more flowers because I'm a flower kind of girl, so I just have them up there, white flowers with a pink little vase, super cute, and gold detailing. Oh yeah, and then I do have my mirror. So this is, I keep that mirror up there all the time, like whenever I want to do like close up, because I have the big vanity mirror, but you know, this one's a little bit more practical. So this is how that looks like over here. And then right over here, I have my ring light. I purchased this ring light in Amazon. So I've had that ring light for about 2 years already, and it's still, you know, perfect condition. And I use that when I have my clients as well. And moving right over here, I have my big old curtains. I am in love with them. I have not found, well, it was a while since I found the right ones that I wanted. I saw some on Pinterest that I absolutely loved, but they were like $150 like per panel. And so I found these at Marshall's, and I love them because it has like the thick kind underneath, and then it has like this tulle on top. And I plan on doing like adding some like twinkle lights, I think that's what it's called, right behind the tulle, so it just looks super cute. But of course I have not done that yet. But yeah, that's gray, and then it has the white tulle on top, and it's super cute. And moving right over here, I just have my little Christmas tree. I still have not put down any of my Christmas decor, so hopefully I will do that tomorrow. I have my little Christmas tree. I bought that at Target. And then my little board, Glam by K. I usually have, like, if I have like a bunch of clients that day, I will write down their names on there, and it's just, you know, it gives it a little cute touch or whatever. But yeah, so I have my little board. That board I got at Marshall's. And then it looks super dirty, but it's not. It's just a reflection of that. Okay, so underneath here, I have the letter K for Karina, of course. I got that at Marshall's. And then I got two little Christmas trees, glittery Christmas trees, and I purchased those at Target. And then down here, I just have like a little bug thing going on. I forgot where I got those little bugs, but the top little thing, actually, you know what? I think I got those bugs at Dollar Tree. They were just for decoration, so I just picked out similar colors that I needed for the room, and the little plant also at Dollar Tree. Right over here, I have my Zuka travel case, or whatever it's called. This is what I use whenever I do go out and travel for my makeup. So, and it's super dirty. I actually need to wash it. That's makeup. But yeah, this is how it looks like without anything in it. This is what I use whenever I travel to other locations and stuff. I just put all my makeup in there, and it's super compact, and I just roll it around. And then moving right over here, I have my little like couch. I know it has a name, but I don't know exactly what you call it. Shout out to my friend Stephanie. She told me about the couch because I've been looking for a couch like this for the longest, but they're just expensive. I believe this one was like $170. But my friend Stephanie works at Walmart, and she's like, girl, they are on sale. You need to come now. So I only paid like $60 for this. And the pillows, those are from Home Goods. And then this little Christmas pillow, Letters to Santa, that is from Kirkland's. And then right over here, I have this beautiful, beautiful painting that I am in love with. I've had this painting for a while, ever since we started the building process on my home. I saw it at Home Goods, yeah, Home Goods, and I loved it. So I picked it up. I didn't know where I was gonna put it, but I knew I wanted it somewhere in the house. So it's just perfect for this room, and it was just meant to be here. Absolutely love it. As you can see, it's kind of like, it's silver, and then you like can see like a little bit of shimmer, gloss, glitter, I guess you can say. It's beautiful, guys. Right over here we have a closet, and then right over here we have my big mirror also. I have this Glam Goals little, little canvas there. I got that at Home Goods. And then I have my big mirror here. I bought that at IKEA. So it's super, super big. It like fits, everybody that comes in here, like they always want to take selfies on it. So, and that was the goal for it, like to be here for selfies. I mean, it's a beauty room, so it goes perfectly with it, white on white. And yeah, so that is my whole makeup room. Simple, nice, clean. Yeah, just my kind of style. Oh yeah, and then mirror up here, a mirror, fan. But yeah, this is my makeup room, and I hope you girls enjoyed watching my videos. And I will see you girls next time on my next video. Bye.